just say a few words about Balach.
You are most welcome, Doctor.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Well, at this very moment, okay, that's exactly this very moment, there are hundreds of Baluch, okay, men and women, in prison, they have been tortured, or there have been all sorts of crimes committed against them. It was precisely this sort of environment, it was exactly precisely, they asked me to talk, it was exactly precisely for this sort of political environment that people like Balach, okay, young people like Balach, started their movement. So it's really the conditions, the real conditions, political and social conditions that create people that, okay, the people like, Balach that we have. Okay, so the way Balach started a very new, very modern movement in Baluchistan. Being part of a new generation of Baluch generation, he started really a new, very progressive, secular movement in Baluchistan, and not just for one part of Baluchistan, by the way. And it's not just belong to one sect or group. It belongs to all Baluch people in Baluchistan. Eastern Baluchistan, Western Baluchistan, young, old, men and women. And that is really the first sort of national movement in Baluchistan that we have in history of Baluchistan. So it's very sort of progressive, secular movement, and when you get to that stage, that a nation, they realize that their own interests, they realize that, okay, they've got rights, and their rights being, okay, denied as a nation, then is the time, there is no way you can defeat that nation. So it's not surprising that Pakistani establishment, the cruel, criminal Pakistani establishment, the military, they wanted to get rid of Balach. And they knew very well, the Pakistani military, Pakistani establishment knew very well, when you've got people like Balach, there is no way you can stop them. The only thing they could do, okay, is to eliminate them physically, and that's what they've done. So it's Pakistani establishment, Pakistani military is responsible for taking all Balach. There is no other, okay, institutions, or there is no other source that's responsible for taking, okay, all Balach from us. And Balach was internationalist. Being an internationalist, it doesn't mean that you are not going to do anything about your own people. An internationalist is someone who realizes the rights of all nations as equal. The rights of all nations, the nations, it could be, okay, our brothers, sisters in Sindh, okay, in Baluchistan, it could be in Punjab, it could be in Pashtun, it could be anywhere. When you believe that you've got equal rights, when you think that, okay, these rights are denied, it's your rights to stand up and to fight for your rights. And that's why Balach did. And that's why Balach wanted all Baluch, all other decent people from other parts, or brothers and sisters, in, okay, especially Sindhi, to help us to get rid of this cruel and criminal system that exists, and this sort of fundamentalist regimes that exist both in Iran and Pakistan. They are the cause of all destruction, and they are the cause of all crimes that we committed. So he realized that, and he wanted all Baluch to participate in that. And also, being part of a new movement, very progressive movement, secular movement in Baluchistan, it was Balach that he was instrumental in terms of organizing Baluch women movement. And Baluch women being in forefront of struggle in Baluchistan in terms of organizing themselves, in terms of protesting, in terms of going to prison, being tortured, being raped, and so forth. So Balach was instrumental in terms of making Baluchistan movement a movement that includes all Baluch from all walks of life. So that's why it's a national movement. And Balach is, okay, we remember Balach for all these deeds that brought us to the stage that we are now. Now, Balach has been taken from us. It's a big loss for Baluch, is a big loss for any decent human beings, is a big loss for any Democrats or anyone who wants to have a democratic, free and democratic nation. So it's not just for Baluchistan, as our brothers Saini said, it's not really just for Baluchistan, it's going to be for any decent human beings who is in favor of free and democratic nations, who have got exactly equal rights. And for that reason, I think we remember today our great hero, young hero, Balach, because he, at least with his deed, he taught us that having a free democratic nation requires struggle, and that struggle is going to be a national struggle. It's going to include all people from all walks of life, and it's going to be a struggle that you fight for your rights to the end. And that's what we got from our great hero, Balach. Thank you very much.